Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni or watching Geeta Tricks. In our last section, we have discussed them about topics. In this section, we have to discuss square roots. It is very useful. In this section, I will give so many examples. So let us start our section. Square root means if y equal to x square, then square root of y is x and we write root y is equal to x. These are the square roots. Square roots are two types. One is perfect square and another one is non-perfect square. In this section, I will tell only perfect squares. Perfect square. Perfect square means it is the product of some integer with itself only. This is known as perfect squares. In this section, I will give examples of how to find squares 10 to 100, how to find squares 100 to 1000, how to find square root of 3 digits, how to find square root of 4 digits, how to find square root of 5 digits, how to find square root of 6 digits. Let us start. The first one is how to find squares 10 to 100. Okay, let us see some examples for better understanding. Squares. First, we have to by heart 1 to 11. Up to 1 to 11, the squares of 1 to 11, we have to by heart. Remaining, no need to by heart the squares because remaining numbers having some logical trick. We are follow the trick, right? Now see, how to find squares 1 to 100. 1 to 11 we know. Now, we have to know how to find 11 to 100. First number, I have to take 12 square. First, you have to do 1 square. 1 square means 1. 1 is in single digit. But I have 1 is in double digit. How to write 1 is in double digit? 1 is in double digit is 0, 1. Right? And 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 is in single digit. I have to in double digit. So, how to write 4 in double digit? 0, 4. First, you have to square this number and write in double digit, and you have to square this number and write double digit. And next, you have to multiply this number into this number. 1 into 2. How much? 1 into 2. And you have to multiply with the square. Right? 1 into 2 into 2. How much? 4. 4 is in single digit. I want double digit. What is the double digit? 0, 4. So, leave this number, leave this one's number and write 0, 4 here and add this number 4, 4, 1. Yes, 12 12s are 144. So, having this, having the answer of 12 square. So, there is no by heart. There is trick. So, if you follow this trick, it is very easy. Coming to next example, 13 square. First you have to square this number 0, 1 and square this number 0, 9. And next we have to multiply 1 into 3 into 2. 1 3 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Leave this number and write 6 here. And adding 9, 6, 1, 13 square. 13 into 13, 169. Yes, I am getting the answer by following this trick. And next example, 14 square. First, you have to square this number and we have to square this number. And here 16 is double digit. So, no need to write 0 on 6. I having only double digit now. So, 16 is double digit. So, as usual, we write 16 here. And next, you have to multiply. 1 into 4 into 2. How much? 8. 8 in single. I want double. So 0, 8 and adding. 196. 14 square equal to 196. And next, this process will be done until 99 whole square. Right? Here I am choosing 99 whole square. First, you have to square this number 81 and we have to square this number 81. And next, we have to multiply. 9 into 9 into 2. 9 9s are 81, 81 2s are 162. Place, remove one number and place 162 here and adding. 9801. This is the answer of 99 whole square. This is the trick to find squares of 12 to 100. Coming to next one, how to find squares 100 to 1000. Let us see some more examples for better understanding. How to find squares of 100 to 1000. Let us see one example, 101 whole square. How to find 101 whole square by using trick? First you have to analyze. 101 is near to which number? 101 is near to 100, right? The which number I have to add to 100 is getting 101. Which number I have to add to 100 is getting 101. 1. The 1 is adding to 100. It must be 101. So I am taking 1. Right? I am taking here 1. The 1 must be adding and removing from 101. If I am adding 1 to 101, I am getting 102. If I subtracting 101 to minus 1, I am having 100. First you have to multiply these two. And next we have to square the number. Which number you have to square? Which number I have to adding and subtracting 1? The 1 you have to square the 1 number and adding this number to this number. If 1 square is 1, so the 1 is adding to this number. I am getting 10201. This is the answer for 101 whole square. Let us see another example for better understanding. 102 whole square. 102 is near to 100, right? Which number I have to adding to 100? I am getting a 102, 2. So I am taking 2. First the 2 is adding and 2 is subtracting. If I 2 is adding, I am getting 104. If I 2 is subtracting, I am getting 100. And you have to square the number. Which number? Adding and subtracting which number? 2. So we have to square that number. 2 square equal to 4. The 4 must be add to this number. 10400 plus 4. I am getting 10404. This is the answer for 102 whole square. Let us see another example. 199 whole square. 199 is near to 200. Is near to 100? No. It is so far to 100. So it is near to 200. 200 minus 1 is 199. So I am also here taking 1. First you have to adding and you have to subtract. When we have to adding 199 plus 1, I am getting 200. And 199 minus 1, I am getting 198. The both numbers will be multiplied. And we have to adding the square number. Which is the square number? 1 square. 1 square means 1. So adding the 1 here. I am getting 39601. This is the answer for 199 whole square. This is the trick of how to find squares of 100 to 1000. The next one is how to find square root of 3 digits and how to find square root of 4 digits. Get the square root of 3 and 4 digits. Let us see one example. If in square root there is 3 digits, the answer must be in 2 digits. Are you understanding? If in root 3 digits value, the answer must be in 2 digits value, right? How to find square root of 529? In 7th class, we know how to find the roots, right? That method now we are using. First you have to write 2 529. First you have to take first number. The first number is 5. Which number I have to square? Which number I have to square is near to 5? The number is 2 square. 2 square equal to 4. 4 is near to 5 and is less than 5. If I am taking 3 square equal to 9. 9 is not near to 5 and 9 is bigger than 5. So no, don't take 3 square. If you take 2 square equal to 4. So place 4 here and place 2 here and place 2 here, right? Place 2 here and place 2 here and place 4 here. The and then subtract 5 to 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 and down the two numbers. Now we have to double this number. The double of 2 is 4. Write 4 here. In this digit is in 2 digit value, right? In this digit, in this it is only in 1 digit value. In this digit we having 2 digit value. For having 2 digit value you have to adding one number, putting one number. When we put one number, that is must be multiplied these two numbers. Are you understanding? If I put 41, I have to multiply it with 1. This value is must be multiplied with 1 because I am putting 1 here. So I am multiply this number with only 1. If I am putting 2, I only multiplied with 2 only. If I am putting 3, I only multiplied with 3 only. For having number is near to this value. If I am 41 into 1, I am getting 41. 41 is near to this number? No. If I am getting 42 into 2, 84. 84 is near to this number? No. 43 into 3, I am getting 129. 121 is near to this number? Yes, 129 is near to this number. So, putting 3 here and 3 here. Remainder is 0. So, the answer of square root of 529 is 23. Coming to next one, 4 digits value. How to find square root of 4 digits value? Here, in root, you have 4 digits. The answer must be 2 digits. In 3 digits also 2 digits value. In 4 digits also 2 digit values. Right? How to find 1156 by using our method 1156. First you have to take 11. 2 digits. Here in 3 digits you have to take only first digit. In 4 digit you have to take 2 digits. Right? 11 is near to which of the square number? 3 square. Right? 3 square equal to 9. So I am putting 09 here and subtracting 2 and down and put down these two numbers, and next I have to double this number. Second step, I have to double this number 64, and this number must be double digit. So if I am getting 62 into 2, 124. 124 is near to this? No. If I am getting 63 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. 188 is near to 256? No. And 64 into 4 is 256. 256 is near to this number. So, put 4 here and put 4 here. Getting remainder 0. So, 34 is the answer for 115, square root of 1156. This is the trick to find the perfect square root of 3 and 4 digits.
And next, how to find square root of 4 digit without using traditional method? Let us see the example.
To find 4 digits without using traditional method, right? First, you have to know how the trick will be applied. First, you have to know the unit digit. Unit digit means 1 having 1 or 9, 4 having 2 or 8, 5 having 5, 6 having 4 or 6, 9 having 3 or 7. Why 1 having 1 or 9, ma'am? I told 1 square equal to 1. The unit digit is 1. 9 square equal to 81. Unit digit means 1's place. So, the 9 square unit digit is 1. So, 1 having 1 or 9. For 4, 2 or 8. 2 square equal to 4. 8 square equal to 64. So, 4. Like this, we have to find the unit digit. Remember, 1 having 1 or 9, 4 having 2 or 8, 5 having 5, 6 having 4 or 6, 9 having 3 or 7. Coming to our example, what is the unit digit here? 4. The unit digits of 4 is 2 or 8. Now, coming to our question 6724. In root, we having 4 digits. In answer, how many digits in answer we having? Yes, 2 digits. In answer, we having 2 digits. First, you have to take 2 digits. In root, we having 4 digits. You have to take first 2 digits. In root, we having 5 digits. You have to take first 3 digits. Here, how many digits? 4 digits. That's why I'm taking 2 digits. 67 is near to how much square? How much square number? 8 square. 8 square is near to 64. And taking 9 square also. And 9 square also, because 64 is near to 67. 67 is greater than the 64. That's why I'm taking 9 square also. 9 square equal to 81. Which number is so near? Which number is so near? 8 square is 64. 64 is so near. That's why I'm taking 8. 8 and 88. Because 4 having 2 digit value of 2, 1 digit, unit digits having 2. So that's why the answer must be in 82 or the answer must be in 88. So how will we take my answer? How will we know what is my answer? Here 9 square is 81, 8 square is 64. Which is so near to 61? 8 square. So above the value is near to 67. So above the value, which is the above the value? 82. So 82 is our answer. This is the trick how to find 4 digit without using traditional method.
Next one, how to find square root of 5 digits. Let us say example.
To find perfect square root of 5 digits. In root, I am having 5 digits. So my answer in how many digits? Can you guess? How many digits? It must be in 3 digits, right? In how to find perfect square root of 5 digits, first we have to see the unit digit. What is the unit digit? 1. 1 having how many unit digits? 2 digits. 1 and 9. So remember. So leave it. And next coming to our question 25281. Here how many digits? 5 digits. So I have to take first 3 digits. In 4 digits I have to take first 2 digits. In 5 digits I have to take first 3 digits. 252 is near to which of the square number? 15 square. 15 square equal to 225 and 16 square equal to 256. Which is so near to 252? 225 is near to 252. So I am getting 1 5. So 1 5, 1 and 1 5, and because I am having 2 unit digits now, that's why I am having 151 and 159, which is the answer for both. Here 225 is near to 255. 256 is near to 16. But which is so near? 256, which is so near? This number, right? This number is so near, below the number. So I am having 159. But here, yes, 256 is near to this number. But why we didn't take 16 here? Answer. In answer, why we didn't take 16? Because it is greater than 252. 256 is greater than 252. That's why we neglect this value. 225 is less than 252. So that's why I'm taking 15 here. And for having 15, for having these two values, we have to see which is the less than to this value. Which is the less than to this value. That value must be we take. For selecting from these two, we have to see which is near to the 252. Here the 256 is near to 252. That's why I am taking below the number. What is the below the number? 159. So the answer is 159. This is the trick for find out perfect square root of 5 digits.
And last method, how to find square root of 6 digits. It is very important for finding square root of 6 digit. We must know first root digits and how to find root digits and how to find traditional method. First you have to see how to find root digits.
root digits. How to find root digits? Here 31 having 4 root digits. Here 312 having 6 root digits. How to find root digit? The sum of the numbers is root digit. If here 31, the sum of this number is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is the root digit of 31. And here 312 is there. The sum of this number is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is the root digit of 31. And 812 is there. What is the root digit of 812? 81 is 9. 9, 2 is 11. 11 is not root digit. The root digit is must be in single digit. So, again we have to sum these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, 2 is the root digit of 812. How to do square, how to find root digit of square of the numbers? Let us see. 31 square is here. First you have to write 31 into 31. 31 is 3 plus 1 is 4 into 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 is in double digits. So 16 is not a root digit of 31 whole square. So we have to do sum. 1 plus 6 is 7. So 7 is the root digit of 31 whole square. And next 321 whole square. First we have to write 321 into 321. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 6. 6 is 36. 36 is root digit? No. Here 2 digits. So we have to sum this number. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is the root digit of 321. This is the concept of root digit.
Now we have to know how to find square root of 6 digits for following some examples.
The square root of 6 digits. In root, I am having 6 digits. In answer, I am having how many digits? Can you guess? Yes, 3 digits. For having perfect square root of 6 digit, which trick we will be using? This is very important. Please be concentrated. First, we have to find the root digit. We know how to find root digit. How to find root digit? We have to do sum of all these numbers. The sum of these numbers is 3, 8, 11, 11, 8, 19, 19, 120, 20 into 2, 22, 22 into 9, 31. 31 is in double digit. So, in root digit must be in single digit. So, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is the root digit of 3, 8, 8, 1, 2, 9. And second step, what we do? Second step, we have to do the traditional method. We know the traditional method. In 3 and 4 digit, we know how to do traditional method for getting perfect square root. Before we finding traditional method, we have to do, we know 3, 8, 8, 1, 2, 9. Here 9 having how many unit digits? 3 or 7, right? In 9 having 3 or 7. So, the answer must be in last 3 or 7, right? The answer must be in 3 or 7. In first also have to find easily, because the first we have to take two numbers. The first you have to take two numbers. For having first number you have to take two numbers. For having second number you have to take another two numbers. For having first number you have to take another last number, right? The first you have 38. Which number is square is near to 38? 6 square. 6 square equal to 36. 7 square equal to 49. 49 is so 4 to 38. So, I have to take 6 square. 6 square equal to 36. So, I have to take first number is 6. Right? First number is 6. So, first number is 6. Last number is 3. How to find middle number? For middle number, we have to do the traditional method. Coming to our traditional method, first you have to take 6 here, because 6 is near to 36, right? 6 6 is 36. 36 you have to subtract 2 and write down this numbers 81, and you have to double this number 12, and you have to, this number is in 3 digits. The digit must be multiplied with same digit. So 122 into 2, 120. So if I have 12, if I am put 1 and multiply 1, 121. 121 is near to 281? No, 122. 2 into 2. It is in 280. It is in yes, it is in 288. Right. So it is near to 281. Right. So I am having 6 2. So if I am doing this process, if I am continuing this process, no need, because I am getting my intention. I am getting my answer too. I am only having for middle number. I am doing this traditional number. I am getting 2. So it must be in 6 to 3 or 6 to 7. How to find 6 to 3 and 6 to 7? Which is my answer? First you have to find root digit. We know how to find root digit of square number. 623 square. You have to find root digit. 623 into 623. 623 it is 11. It is 11. 11 into 11. 11 is must be in 2. And 2 into 2 4. 4 is our root digit. Here the root digit of this number is how much? 4. The root digit of this number is also 4. So this is equal. Let us see 627 also. The root digit of 627 is 15 into 15. 6 into 6, 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. The root digit is 9. The root digit of this number is 4. The root digit of this number is 9. It is equal? No. So answer is 623, because the root digit of both values having same number. So 623 is our answer. This is the trick to find perfect square root of 6 digits.
These are the concept of perfect square. In our next section, I will explain non-perfect squares. In this section, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.